Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through some common maintenance tips and tricks for the Yeedi M14 Plus. If you're interested in the M14 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description, so shop it there. Starting with the top of the vacuum, keep an eye periodically on this channel right here between the navigational bumper and the rest of the vacuum, just making sure that it's free from any sort of obstacle or debris that would prevent it from working properly. Also, underneath the cover here, we have our dustbin. With care, instructions directly on it. You can rinse the dustbin out. So you get access to it by popping open this lid, revealing our filter. So you can take the filter out, and then you can always give it a little tap to remove some of that really fine dirt and dust. If you have a can of compressed air, you can breathe new life into the filter, and you can always buy more of these. They're disposable. So don't get this wet. But everything else in the dustbin can be rinsed off. Our wire mesh screen here, this plastic cover in that channel, and then the dustbin itself. And then we even have our little door there. If you ever have any hair or stuff that's starting to collect there, you can clean that and wipe it away. But all of this can be washed, and this filter can be replaced. Periodically look at the inside too and wipe down as needed. Looking at the side of the vacuum, every once in a while you want to keep an eye on the sensors and wipe them down as needed. Just use a microfiber cloth. Same with the charging contacts on the back side, you can wipe those down. Sensor on the side. And then on the very back, we have a removable water tank here. So for this tank, you can just gently pull the lid open and you can rinse that out as needed. We have a little filter you can rinse right there too, that little screen. And then you can just always reinstall it. Looking at the underside, we have our side brush here. If you ever notice any tangles or debris, you can cut that away. This just pops right off, so you can easily replace this once it wears out, and then snap the new one right back in. More sensors down here that you can wipe with a microfiber cloth or a Q-tip as needed. Main brush roller, very easy to remove and replace, as well as to cut away any tangles. And then inside, our comb clip is removable too. So we can gently pop that out if you ever want to give that a deeper clean. And then lastly, we have our mop roller here. So this part is removable, so we can clean that as needed, and then we can also extend the mop out to remove. Double tap the power button. That's going to move the roller mop out. And we have a little unlock icon right there. So we can press that. And then the whole mop roller is removed. Now we can easily replace this or give it a deeper wash. And looking at it back from the underside, we can wipe that down as needed. Again, there's that removable cover. And then you can always take your clean or new mop roller and just gently put it right back on. Double tap again, and now it goes back in. Simple and straightforward to take care and maintain your Yeedi M14 Plus.